What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Young Shine. We back at it with another video. It's been a long time no see. Been staying down, been trying to grind out and everything, but we back. And today I got a mod for y'all that we're gonna be throwing on the S550 today. And it's an interesting mod. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna switch up some things on the car, little cosmetic stuff, you know, something light. You know, I keep everything light on this channel. But before I unveil, you know what it is, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We on the road to 500 subs. Make sure to like this video. Comment down below what you think of this modification that I'm putting on the car. And, you know, let's go ahead and jump right. All right, so if you guessed it in the comment section, I got some new LED turn signal lights from S550 Euros. Shout out to them. And these are the LED DRL sequential turn signal lights from S550 Euros. They had two different versions on their website. They had the one with the fog light, the one I got, then they had ones without the fog lights. But, you know, these are plug and play, and it should be a simple install. All we gotta do is take the front bumper off, take the turn signals out, and then plug them in, and we should be ready to go. So let's go ahead and move the car around. Let's get it up in the air, take the bumper off, and let's go ahead and get started. And the reason why I'm taking these old ones out is because they're amber all the time, and I'm kind of tired of that look. So I kind of wanted to go with the upgraded ones since they're gonna be that bright white, like a daytime running light. And then, you know, whenever I flip the turn signal switch on, they're gonna, you know, do that amber color right there. But pretty much all the time when the car is on, they're gonna be white, that white LED, and then when I hit the turn signal switch, then they'll do the amber sequential style like that. And I'm retaining the fog light because just like, why not? Now that we got the car turned around, we're gonna start by taking the bumper off. We gotta take off all these little pin clips right here, and then we got to take the ones off on the undercarriage. Then we got to take the ones from behind the fender. And then there should be like 2 bolts inside of the fender that we have to take off. And then boom, the bumper will be freed. And then we have to unplug the turn signal lights and swap the new ones in, and then reverse process. I tell you, I am never taking this bumper off again. Or this, call hell taking this bumper off. But anyways, unplug the turn signal. Then now we gotta take a couple more bolts out, slide the old one out, slide the new one in, put this aggravating bumper back on, and then we can, then we'll be in the game, we'll be set. But I'm never taking this bumper off again until it's time to go boost. Stock turn signal lights right here. You can DM me at shine.s197 if anybody would like them. Just shoot me a price and, you know, we can negotiate from there. Really trying to get these up off of me real quick, so I'm not gonna bust anybody over the head for these. But yeah, if you would like them, DM me at shine.s197 or comment down below, and we can talk and we can see what's up. Turn signals are in. Let's pull up to a gas station or something and let's show them off. Get some cinematics in and all that B-roll type stuff. But I call hell trying to put them in though. You know, I'm no mechanic, but you know, so I can get some, I know how to work with the tools, but that bumper crazy, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Got a lot of war wounds on me, I ain't gonna lie to you. Here we go at the gas station with Chelsea. As you see, we got the turn signals installed from S550 Euros. And again, these turn signals, They're the LED turn signal, the DRL ones with the fog lights. And you know, we got it all installed and they looking all good. So I'm finna flip the camera around and show y'all what they look like outside and, you know, underneath this gas station lighting. And y'all tell me what y'all think. So here go the turn signals. As you can see, they're all lit up LEDs, that white LED light. And, you know, they're just looking real good. You know, this is just it's a minor cosmetic detail for the car on the exterior as far as the bumper go. Getting rid of that amber turn signal light, which kind of just throw out the look. But now, you know, we look way modern. You know, it just looks like this came from factory. And boom, here we go. These are with the hazards on. As you can see, they kind of go back to that amberish type color, just for the turn signals. And as you can see, they're still they go sequential as well. And you know, just still, you know, it's very modern. You know, it just makes the vehicle look so much better and everything like that. And you know, I would recommend this for anybody. You know, if you want to upgrade your front end on your 15 and up Mustang S550. You know, I recommend these. You know, these look good. You know, they cosmetically look pleasing and everything like that. I would totally recommend these turn signals. They're the same brand as my tail lights. That's my Euro tail lights. I think they're called like that Vivid Land or V-Land type brand. So they're the same brand as my tail lights. And I'm not quite sure if I want to upgrade my headlights or not. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with like the little tri-bar type deal they got going on with the stock headlights and everything like that. I mean, I could upgrade to like the Mishimoto ones and kind of have like that little, you know, like how that check mark type line is for the LED, for that DRL. But I'm not quite sure. You know, those cost a pretty penny. You know, I'm not willing to spend at the moment. But I mean, who knows? You know, we'll see. I may or may not go that route or not. But other than that, I feel like for the exterior wise, the car is, I feel like it's kind of complete exterior wise. I'm not quite sure. We might change the spoiler up or something like that. But really, front end, everything like that. Only thing we're missing is really just some wheels. You know, we get some wheels for the car, you know what I'm saying, we'll be set. We'll be set. But that's really gonna wrap up today's video. We installed the turn signal lights, the new DRLs with the sequential, with the fog light, LED ones from S550 Euro. Shout out to them. If y'all want a set of these, y'all go to their website. I do have a promo code that I can drop in the description if anybody would like to use it. Get you 20% off. And but yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Y'all make sure to like the video, comment down below if you like these turn signals, make sure to hit the bell notification and all that good stuff. And your boy Young Shine out.